Hello? Is anybody there? I know I've been away for a while, guys, and I'm not here to apologize because I'm not sorry. I had a baby, all that stuff, but I've found a renewed passion right now because Mermaidcore is trending and I've lived it for the past like 20 years of my life. Been obsessed with everything beachy, mermaids, siren, shells, sand, netting, all of it, and it's back and it's hot. So I'm gonna lean heavily into the Mermaidcore stuff, okay? I don't know if you remember, but a few years ago, I did a look with this palette from Pat McGrath, and I thought I would use it again because I'm trying to encourage like reusing products that I've already got in my collection. And if you liked that look, which was a sort of beachy Mykonos mermaid themed look, then maybe you got it. And here's another look with it. This one's more of a smoky look, still with the blues, but I love it. Starting off with my Siren under eye shields. These, of course, are my reusable silicone eye shields that you can use over the top of skincare or while you're doing your makeup to prevent fallout, to help lock in the moisture and the goodness of your favorite skincare products. I just put that over the top of eye base from Bobbi Brown. So less than 3 minutes after talking about reusing existing products in my collection, I'm gonna use this concealer that I recently got, and it is the Lancome Teint Idole Ultra Wear. I'm using all Sigma brushes for this video, by the way, and I'm using that to prime my whole eye area for eyeshadow. And I'm using some eyeshadows that have like multichrome and like little flecks in them, so I definitely want to use my Siren eye shields to capture all of that, even though I don't have foundation on yet. About now is when I'll zoom in so you can see the eye stuff better. Oh, that's not the zoom. Nice. Pat comes out with these palettes and it just says Mothership on it. It doesn't say anything else on the back, you know? So it's the Mothership one, the blue one. I'll make sure to link it below. So that sandy color is going on the socket first, all the way through and sweeping out. Then there's that shimmery brown, put that in the outer V. And I'm just keeping everything soft at first because it gets pretty intense pretty fast. So just like dipping the brush in once, and of course these eyeshadows are incredibly pigmented and blendable and everything, so you only need a little bit. A bit under the eye. Keep going back with that first brush that I used that sandy color with, just to make sure everything's blending as we go, because it's easier to blend as you go rather than trying to go in at the end when it's all dark and multicolored and stuff. I'm trying to blend it out nicely. Bit of that purple sweeping over the lid. Gonna start building up some darker brown in the V a bit closer, keeping everything a bit more concentrated. Blend. I really like that as it is. God, I love cool colors, cool tone colors. Our first dip of a fun shade. This is that color shifting one that goes from a gray blue to the purple to the mauve. I'm gonna sweep that over the eye area. Oh my God, the eye area, like we haven't just been at the eye area the whole time. Oh my God, it's so nice. The whole way, because why not? Oh my God, it's so nice. Now that blue is what we're gonna use next. Layering it on top of the outer V. First keeping it concentrated right where the crease stops. And I do just like little circular motions like that over and over and over again to let it blend itself out into the other shadows. Then whatever's left on the brush, start to sweep it out. And that just adds like blue haze to the top. I flipped back to that first sandy brush so that I don't muddy the colors too much, but I just felt like I was putting a bit much on for a second there, so I'm just going back with that first brush to make sure I'm not putting on too much color. Wow, I love it. I'm acting like I didn't already see it all on this eye, but that is hygiene, people. Don't do that on clients. Now I'm gonna get that white and blue shift color, pat it on over the top as well. And also load that up here at the inner corner. I'm so happy that there was that one TikTok sound, where that guy said that he likes when girls put that color, that light color on the inner corner of the eye, and I feel like that made it almost trending again. For a while, I feel like it wasn't as trendy to do the inner corner highlight anymore, the way that we used to in 2016, for example. But I feel like that kind of reminded us how good it looks. Look at that. brown eyeliner pencil, and this one's Artist Color Pencil from Makeup Forever in Dimensional Dark Brown. These are a must-have. Focusing it right here at the outer part of my eye again, working it into the lash line. Now with a little firm blending brush, soften that out. Taking that black or almost black color from the palette, going right over the top. Adding some more blue. Now this is one of my favorite powders. It's Chantecaille's Light Medium Perfect Blur Finishing Powder. It's just amazing. And that is what I've got just here on the brow bone. Matte, okay? No shimmer up there. We don't need it right now. I had to tell myself to chill out because I was trying to add shimmer and blue and color everywhere, you know? Now mascara. This one's the By Terry Twist one. Is it even? Sometimes when I do one eye before I film and then I go to do the other eye, I might get some of the steps mixed up, if I'm being completely honest. Look how much fallout my silicone eye shields caught. Fantastic, because now peel and reveal that flawless edge. Oh look, I should have put them up higher because you can even see. Now I can just take these to the sink and wash them with soap and water, leave them out to dry, use them next time. Not to mention, because I put the Bobbi Brown eye cream on first, my under eye is so primed and ready for the rest of my makeup. You just wanna blend that out a bit. Should I put lashes on now? Yeah. These are the Kiss the Muses lashes, and honestly most of the lashes from this collection were a bit too dramatic, but these ones, Noblesse, are probably the most natural that they have. Oh, they're a soft black color. Okay, well, cool, let's open them. Now, if you trimmed your eyelashes, which you probably should have, most people need to, use them to layer on the outer edge. I always make sure the side with the longest goes on the outside. For example, these ones were actually cut from my right eyelash, but I will use them on the left side because of how now they're a little bit flared. And this will give us that really nice siren eye that is trending. Still trending. So putting it right on top, which will add lift, length, and that flick kind of thing. Wow. Use my pencil eyeliner to just connect the inner corner so it doesn't look so harsh where the falsies start. For the rest of my face, I'll prime with Serenity Overnight Overhaul, which does not just have to be used at nighttime, despite the name. I love it for priming because it absorbs kind of like immediately, but also then at the end of the day when I go and take my makeup off, my skin still looks kind of like I'm wearing makeup because it's got that little bit of DHA in it that tints your skin just enough to help hide imperfections and color correct redness, but it doesn't give you a tan. It immediately absorbs and it just, goes straight in with Luminous Silk Foundation from Giorgio Armani. Had this one for a while, but still one of the best. Do you know what I haven't used in the longest time? A stippling brush. Kind of crazy. It really feels like it's just been so long since I've used one, but... Or did some of us never stop? Ugh, bloody helicopters. Now, Dominique Cosmetics launched these divine brow products, the Brow Frame Pencil and the Brow Blowout Shaping Gel. Look at this. Look at how ingenious this tip is. So cool. So if you want to, you can apply it like flat against the brow to do like a all over color, or you can use the edge, which always remains sharp thanks to the ingenious design, to create like hair strokes. Going in with the brow gel first, up and out, following the direction that I set them. I'm gonna pull up the brow pencil. NARS and their Laguna collection will get me every single time. This is the bronzing cream. And they've got two shades now, Laguna 02, which is the original, and I'm gonna use that. But they also have a lighter color, Laguna 01. Dab, 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 dab. Dab, 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 dab. Dab, 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 dab. Oh, wow. That smells good. Okay, now we're done. That's the finished look. Bye. Then I'm gonna blend that in with my original foundation brush. Blend up into your hairline, because your hairline's always a bit paler. If you could see the mess that's right here, Big yikes. Let's put it all back. Tidy up as I go along. That's what is always suggested to me and I never do it. Back with that Tainted Doll corrector from Lancome. Gonna pop it right there. Maybe here. Here. Oh Lord, gosh, it gets so hot under these lights, guys. This brush is really cool. It's the Edge Precision from Sigma. Look at it. Blendy, blendy, blend. It's really nice. I wonder if my code for Sigma still works. It's been a while. Wow, look how nicely you can get right in there on the inner part. Lovely. Oh, just line it up with the edge and whew, look at that. Wow. Wow. NARS is so lovely. For blush, I'm going to use another NARS product. This is the Wanderlust Afterglow Liquid Blush. And I wanted something that was like a blue toned one. So this one's like purplish. I'm working under the assumption that this is a very sheer product like the rest of their Afterglow collection. Oh, wow. Ooh, I love the way it kind of pulls and ties in some of that eyeshadow. Wow, that looks really lovely. I like the color. Normally I think that purple blushes on me look a bit corpse-like, but this one's lovely. It's more like fuchsia than straight purple. Plus, because it's sheer, you know? Lining my lips with About Face lip liner. About Face is a really good brand. Every single thing that I've tried, I love. And then look what Manny did. Look, ready? Manny, look what he did. Oh! Can you? And then look at this. Look what else he did. Look what else he did. Oh, wow. Isn't that so beautiful? It's so stunning. I really appreciate what effort must have gone into designing this. Everything is just so smooth, so luxe. All the details are beautiful. Now let's apply this Mystic color. Beautiful, stunning. I love it. Wow. Now when it comes to concealer that is really full coverage, I'm yet to find one that will ever outdo the NARS one, the Soft Matte. If they ever discontinued this, I want to say Riot, but I won't. There's nothing else that I've ever found that works that good. Cool. One last check. Powder. Let's use the Prism Libre from Givenchy, which is wonderful. The satisfying little imprint that you get from the sieve is so good every time. Look, will it transfer to my forehead? Oh my God. She's so high-end. She's designer. I love it. Oh God. Cool. Wait, I probably need a bit more up here. My forehead is like something else. And the lights always emphasize it. Skin Perfector brush from Sigma. Look how pretty this is. Gosh, this is such a beautiful powder. The way it blurs. Oh, Lordy. And I only use a very small amount of powder. Just always have, always will. It does it beautifully. If you are looking to blur and mattify the appearance of your pores without overdoing it and looking cakey, this is a wonderful, wonderful product. I'm gonna add some under my eyes. Oops, didn't even check if I had creases under my eyes, but you know what? They're set there now. And regardless, even if I did smooth them out, the nature of under eye creases is that they're just gonna happen anyways. So you know what? Might as well set them in where I know where they're gonna be. Patrick Tar and the Major Glow Oil, let's do it. Had to add some boob in there just for the engagement, you know? Finishing touches. I should have done my eyebrows after I did the rest of my face, to be fair, because I moved them around again when I was doing my bronzer and stuff. Something that I like about this Dominique Cosmetics Brow Blowout Gel is that it doesn't ball up and make little white balls pilling, you know? Wow, I'm finished. I did it. Now I gotta give you some posing moments. Can you see how it's shifting? I think that because it's me moving, not the camera, you won't see the shift as well. So let me Can you see that? Oh, I hope so. Well, that brings us to the end of my tutorial. Thank you guys so much for watching. Feels stale saying that same old, same old. Thank you so much for watching. I know that it's been 7 months. It's a long time. I'm hoping that at least some of you are interested in my videos still. If you want to see more of me, obviously I'm on Instagram and TikTok pretty regularly, like basically every single day. And I'll see you guys there, I hope. Love how it came out. I'll put all the links below and I hope you enjoyed. Bye.